Today, I'll be teaching you how to make some money on the side. And remember when I say on the side, because it won't be a lot, but you can invest the money you earn through this method into things such as stocks and crypto. Or if you're a little kid, you can earn free Robux with this. So what you're gonna do is go to PrimeOpinion. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can get here right away with a referral code so you guys can support me as well as be supported by me. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna log in, and since I already have an account, I'm gonna log in real quick. Okay, now that you're logged in, you can see the best match surveys. And oh yeah, by the way, you start with 100 points. 100 points is equivalent to $1, so 1 point is 1 cent. And you'll be given the best match surveys, which I usually don't stay on this tab. I instead go to short surveys, and I follow the 1 to 2 rule. So I want my minutes to be at least half of the amount of points I'll earn. So things like this, 9 minutes for 2 points, yeah, I wouldn't do that. But 9 minutes for 28 points, that's a very good deal. 10 to 15, like if I'm really desperate, I'll do it, but like 10 to 29, I'll do that. And don't get fooled by these stars, because sometimes people just get disqualified, so they put a 2-star down there or 1 star. Sometimes I would do like 0-star ones and I'll still get all my points. So let me go over the basics. You do surveys to earn points, and when you have $5 for your first cash out, you can cash out to charity donations, prepaid cards, gift cards, and like I said, if you're a little kid, Google Play for Robux, or I think there's just a straight Roblox card. Yep, straight Roblox card, Valorant, if you're into it. But I usually do Amazon and Apple, and I cash out every single $5, just to be safe. I would never actually go into the most points, because you can see 0 stars a lot. I would rarely actually do 0 stars if I actually do them. But you also have the offer wall, which is you play games, you download games. I assure you they're not a scam, because I've been doing them, but I'm just too lazy to actually play these games because they're relatively boring. But if you look at the I'm gonna do iPhone because that's what I have. If you look at the games, it's basically saying like I'll click on solitaire, install, get to level 2, get 3 points, get to level 5, get to 35 points, but yeah, get to level 100, 3,500 points. I'm sure solitaire is really hard or something, because there's no way they're giving you $35 for free. And once you get there, once you get to like level 2 or 3, I think, you get to see the leaderboard. And nothing much to see in the leaderboard, actually. Yeah, there's nothing to see. Account. On the account page, you can see that I've earned $18, $1,895 on this account. On my main account, I've earned more than $300, and I've completed 41 surveys on this account. And I'm pretty sure if you do 50 surveys, that gives you a lot of bonus points, and there are 4 achievements you can earn. Yep, 250 points, $2.5 for just doing 50 surveys, and they can be pretty small surveys. I should probably do that real quick. I've redeemed these gift cards, and yes, I used it on Brawl Stars. Leave me alone. If you need help, here's help. When you get to level 5, you can actually contact these people or have conversations with people if you like have missing points or stuff. Refer a friend. If you send refer codes to friends, you can also earn points. Redeem bonus code, never done that. I think there is one bonus code that I'll put in the description if I find it again, that gives you like a week bonus for points. It's like 10% bonus points. And okay, let's move on to the streak. If you do 1 week of a streak, you get to draw it's like 6, or it's not 6, it's like 12 or 15 different boxes. You can click on one and you get different points. It looks something like this. I got 50 on my first one. Rarely does anybody go 1,000. It's not that nice. So yeah, Alright, now that I've gone over everything you technically need to know, Oh yes, when you do cash out, they usually send the gift card to your email and you can redeem it from there. If you guys have any questions, comment in the comment section. I'll try to comment back in the comment section, but if I feel like there's too much, I'll open a Discord server, I guess. Alright, let's get into a survey so that you guys can have a hang of it. 9 minutes, 28 points. Really want to do this, but 9 minutes, I'll just do a 5 minutes for the sake of it. What type of smartphone do you primarily use? So you want to answer the question to make the survey think that you're the target audience. If you don't, you get screened out and sent back to PrimeOpinion, and they'll give you like 1 point, and you don't want that. So I'm just gonna say iPhone because that's what I actually have for now. Yes, I qualify, and I would click participate, and it takes me to the survey. When I get thanks for taking your time, we'd like to start by asking a few questions about you. How old are you? I'll put my age, my gender, my state. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to put my real state. And which of the following smartphone brands, if any, do you currently own? I'm going to put Apple. Approximately how long have you had your current smartphone? It's been 1 to 3 years. Have you visited? Okay, for most of the questions, you should just run through them. The point is that sometimes they'll give you trick questions that you have to answer specifically. For those specific questions, it's gonna be like choose the only color in the options, and if you don't choose the color, they'll screen you out because they realize you're just blowing through like an idiot. Which of the following SES stores location? I don't even know what SES is, but I'm gonna just pick one. What influenced your decision to choose? And most of these you can just pick a few. Sometimes the trick questions will be one of these and will be like, please pick very satisfied. Were you browsing for a specific product during a visit to New York Roosevelt Samsung Experience stores? Yes. Computer, tablet. Yes, a purchase. Are you aware of any? No. 7. Did you interact with a sales associate during your visit to the New York Roosevelt Samsung Experience store? Yes. Alright, now that you get to this point, it's for classification to so that the surveyors can classify you into separate groups so they can better understand and make relations between the answers and the answerers. So you put your stuff in. Now that you're done, you'll get redirected back to PrimeOpinion. See, I got my 8 points complete, 2.03. I can assure you guys this is not a scam site, but sites that I recently tried, like Free Cash, I just keep getting screened out. Doesn't matter what survey I do, I can't even get into a survey. Beware, sometimes they say 9 minutes, it's gonna take you like 20 minutes. Sometimes it says 10 minutes, it's gonna take you like 5 minutes. It always varies. So if you go back to my account, you can see that I've earned $19, and these are all the points I've earned, and usually there's no pending, and they usually go straight to your points. And yep, that's it for the video, I guess. There's nothing much else to do. I can exchange it for $2 right now, but I would save it for $5 because there's just no point in doing what, $2. What am I gonna buy with $2? And usually people would put it into Amazon, but I think I might start putting this into stocks just to like, if you think about it, make money with the money that isn't technically yours to begin with, so you're not really losing any money. You're getting free money from doing surveys, and you're changing that into more money by doing stocks. That's just an idea. But that'll be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I know this is a new channel. This is my first video, but I figured out this website 3 weeks ago from a friend, and I decided I should probably share with everyone. Thank you for watching.